Hi, I am CA Dipen Mittal. Today I will be answering the most searched questions about the portal Taxmann.com practice. Let's get into it. So let's see the first one. What is Taxmann.com practice? Alright, so whenever we start something new, the things are overwhelming and often scary. The new challenges demand the best of us, and it can be helpful if we have something to guide us, to make the new familiar and to take up the challenges head on. That's what the Taxmann practice do for all tax accounts and legal professionals who are just entering into the field. It is a platform that helps new professionals transition into being a seasoned one while doing research on their behalf. So you as a professional can spend time doing rather than searching on various blogs. So let's see the next one. How does Taxmann.com practice help? Okay. So it is a knowledgeable ally that can be concise and comprehensive at the same time. Once you search your query in it, the document it provides are compressed and integrated with all the relevant documents, helping you avoid voluminous resources. It offers simple, accurate and reliable answers to your queries. So whether you are a tax, accounting and legal professional, whether you are looking up for simplified guidance on law, answer to your actual queries, ready to use documents for compliance and litigation, Taxmann practice have it all. Taxmann.com practice gives you the pleasure of a clean desk, resulting in clear understanding and swift action. Coming to the next one. What makes Taxmann.com practice stand out? Okay, where this product stand out is its focus on helping beginners. Its variety of features are testament to the same. In addition to providing simple, accurate and comprehensive guidance on law, it offers various formats which allows you to draft notice replies along with sufficient knowledge of law, so you can successfully argue on behalf of your client. What's even more remarkable is that it provides 360-degree view of all legal aspects of a transaction involving multiple laws, so you can advise your client right then and there. Let's check out the fourth question. What is the inspiration behind Taxmann.com practice? Okay. As I said before, this platform is meant to guide you through the initial years of being in tax, accounts and legal profession, and it helps you to become a seasoned one. There is nothing else out there that looks out for up and coming professionals. We understand how overwhelming and challenging it can be when you are starting. We understand how would you like to work. Quick and efficient, simple yet powerful, concise yet comprehensive. We get it. And Taxmann.com practice to let you know that we are here for you. So let's see the last question. What do you envision the future of Taxmann.com practice? Okay. So in my estimate, the essence of the technology is to stimulate the efficiency. And so far, we are thrilled to keep ourselves toe-to-toe with best technology out there. The world is moving towards regenerative AI, and so are we. We are working on a chatbot model to integrate with Taxmann.com practice. It is a new addition we are eagerly looking forward to. Once launched, we will be tuned in for your feedbacks and responses. So yes, it is a future filled with excitement, optimism, and thrill of being part of your professional journey. So there you have your answers. There is an idiom, practice makes a man perfect. And this is true with Taxmann.com practice. So let Taxmann practice be your partner in perfecting your professional journey. So log into Taxmann.com practice now.